The Shear tool allows you to shear shapes. This tool is located in the group of Scale tool. Here I have a basic rectangle drawn on the artboard. To use the Shear tool, first select the shape using the selection tool and then choose the Shear tool. So like the rotate, reflect and scale tool, you can change the position of the origin point. So if I click on the center of the shape, and now if I click and hold and drag the mouse, I can shear the shape according to the origin point. You can also place the origin point outside the shape. Another way to shear any shape is to first take the cursor to the desired place where you want to place the origin point and Alt or Option click. So this will open up a dialog box. Here you can change the shearing angle or axis if you like. And if you click on a copy of the shape is created. So this is all about the shear tool. It's very simple to use.